You know what? Ever felt like this? Have a sip of coffee on the balcony or somewhere else, and then you take up your phone and you end up just scrolling and just losing a lot of your precious time. Well, let me tell you, with a device like this, you can solve this topic. By the way, let me just remove it from the case because it's even tinier. So this is the Xteink X4, and it's an ink reader, right? And you can use this everywhere with you. On the sun, you can see a very bright display because yes, it's electronic ink. That's 4.3 inches. It's very portable, very pocketable, and the best part is you control what goes inside. So no hidden ecosystem where you're supposed to pay. You can load up and download free books from Project Gutenberg and just put them here, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with this little baby, but only after I finish my sip of coffee. Welcome back to the channel, VST here when I speak tech. So a few years ago I bought this Kindle, and it's a very nice unit, you know, backlight, everything. It's very good, and I bought this to kind of reinforce my reading habits, and honestly, this never happened the way I thought it would. Just because this thing cannot really fit in my pocket, or at least not in all my pockets, and I just leave it behind. So I will end up like doom scrolling just like that every 5-10 minutes that I have for my free time, which is not ideal, you know, because just this thing is also huge, being almost 7 inches, but it fits in my pocket. But what if I tell you that there is a solution to this? Because right now what I have in my pocket, maybe I'm gonna show this to you, is the Xteink X4, which is a 4.3 sized tablet. And it has magnets. This is just the case. Let me just, by the way, the magnets are very strong. If I remove it, you're gonna see this thing is tiny. This thing is really small, 4.3 inches, very good screen, no DRM bullshit things. You can put your own books here and read your own books, so you're totally in control. I've been using this for the past few weeks. I actually was able to read 2 books on this, and I think I used my Kindle to read like 4 books in the last 2 years, which I'm not proud of. And this is just the start. In this video, I'm going to unbox the X4, show you how this thing works outside, inside, and maybe if you're so interested into this, you might as well come here in 2 weeks where I'm gonna show you the small brother, the X3. This is even tinier than this, all right? It's only 3.7 inches. At the time being, I'm only gonna focus on the X4. So let's put it on my review table and let's start. All right, let's unbox. This is the Xteink X4. All right, what do I have here? Okay, nice cover. Xteink X4 exclusive. Cool. Oh, yeah, with magnets. This is good. What do we have here? MicroSD USB 2.0. Stick up the MicroSD card, put it in your PC or laptop or Mac and get your books. And last but not least, finally, this is the unit itself, Xteink 4. Ultra thin magnetic black e-reader. What's in the box? Let's find out. Opening it for the first time. Yeah, I by the way like the fact that this resembles a book. I mean, how cool is this, right? Like a standard book. Ultra thin, ultra light, always within reach. What do we have inside? Patch installation cleaning kit. We do have a screen protector and yeah, also 2 magnets. And of course we have the unit itself. Now, first things first, why do we have magnets? Well, let me show you. This is my Pixel 10 Pro. Right, it's cheater certified, and by the way, yes, also my case has a magnet, so yeah, I don't need it, right? But if your case doesn't have a magnet or your phone, you can stick this on your case or on your phone because this baby here, yeah, remember, it has magnets. OMG, this feels so nice in the hand. Let me try to fit it in on my Pixel 10 Pro. Honestly, it's not gonna stick like this because the magnets are a bit down below. Well, it's gonna stick like this. Honestly, not ideal, also not that bad. Let's check what is going to happen here on this phone. This is my S26 Ultra. That's one of my main daily drivers. Again, oh, okay, that's a bit better, right? But yeah, remember, big phones, big cameras. So it's not going to stick also quite perfectly, but it's still going to stick. And that's an iPhone 16 Pro Max. All right, let's see. Again, not ideal positioning, but okay, it's gonna stick like this. And by the way, there is a fix for this, believe it or not, but if you take the Xteink X4 and you place it like this, upside down, it's gonna fit better, right? So right now, this is gonna fit better, and I can maybe use my camera and have also my Xteink X4 on the back. Let's try the weight. The official spec is at 77 grams. Oh my god, actually even lower here on my scale, 75 grams. And for 75 grams, you're getting 4.3 e-ink display with a PPI of 209, which should be pretty ideal for your daily reading. Let's spend some time to appreciate the design and the fact that this thing here is very small, very pocketable, and still it perfectly fits in my hand. What about the buttons? Back button, OK button, previous page, next page. If you don't like this navigation, no worries here. This is gonna double as previous page and next page, and yeah, here we do have the power button. Also, there's going to be the USB-C port here and also an LED charging light, which will indicate when this thing is charging. By the way, it's going to take something like hour and a half to get it full charge, probably 2 hours, and it can run for days. Alright, let me power this on and let's do the first time setup. OMG, that was really quick. Take a look at this. Just amazing. The first thing I would like to do is connect it to my Wi-Fi and update it to the latest version. So I'm just gonna click here Xteink App, and then I'm gonna click on the network connection, scan Wi-Fi. Here goes my network, so I'm just going to select it. I just saved my network, so then I'm just gonna scroll down to system update, because right now I'm using the version 5.1.6. And yeah, there is a newer version 5.621. Alright, so I'm just gonna select the update. My X4 reader will download the update from the internet, and then I'm going to show you all the goodies. The new firmware has been downloaded and I have to select the proper language. Again, back, select, left, right, memorize this. So I'm gonna use English and I'm gonna hit the select button. Now it tells me to use the application, but wait, what the heck is this application? Well, you can use your phone and download it straight from your Play Store. It's called, yeah, Xteink. I mean, that's quite obvious, right? So I'm gonna open the Xteink app. You can use your username, creating one and log in for the app. Yeah, this is something that is gonna come very soon. And now I'm gonna hit scan from here, as easy as that. And I'm gonna try to select it, and oh my god, you see this works perfectly as a charm. Something that I do believe is very important, because remember, it's not only about minimizing distractions and get away from doom scrolling, so you can take this baby with you everywhere, on the bus, on the trolley, while someone drives you with a car, and just use every spare time you have reading, if that's your thing. But the main thing is, guys, you're not locked into an ecosystem where you're kind of forced to buy books. Here, DRM free, you download your own free books if you want, like from Project Gutenberg. I'm going to demonstrate this, or somewhere else, and you pull them from the app or directly from the micro SD card, because remember, as easy as that. I just connected it to the Wi-Fi, and now you're gonna see my phone is already linked to X4, and now I actually going to import a book. Now I said free books. Where can you get free books? Now I'm not sure if you know about this, but there is a whole project organized around this, and it's called the Project Gutenberg, where you can download more than 75,000 free ebooks. And by the way, there are some very nice and classy things. If you just go and select like the top 100 books yesterday, you're gonna see The City of God, or like Moby Dick, Frankenstein, and everything here is free. You can just directly go and download the ebook. By the way, this tablet supports EPUB and also text files, and you can very easily use the mobile app to sync it. How does it work? Let me just show you. So I'm just gonna click on import here, and I'm gonna click book import. You can see I can use PDF, Mobi, I can use EPUB. I'm gonna use EPUB because that's what I downloaded. So I'm just going to select it right away. Now it's gonna get imported on my phone, and the phone is gonna push it to my Xteink 4. How crazy is this? I mean, via cloud, right? So I don't need to use a micro SD card, no cables, everything works wireless. And as this thing is downloading, I'm just going to download another book. So, all right, yeah, let's choose Alice Adventure in Wonderland. So how does it work? Very easy, guys. I just click on the EPUB file. This gets downloaded to my phone. I go back here and I just click the book import, where it is okay here, and you're gonna see now it's going to push my second book to my Xteink X4. As simple as that. So if you want to get books directly from your phone on your tablet, you can do so. The thing is still going on, and now the second book has been downloaded from the cloud and been pushed to my X4. If you click Original English Works, you can directly download it from here, okay? So you can push this to the device. All right, you can push some trials. There are also free fonts, which means that you can choose selected fonts and you can push fonts to the device, which is pretty neat. Also, there's these fonts here, plenty of options. And then last but not least, you can always add a custom book site, like the one I use from Project Gutenberg. What else can you do? This is the bookstore section. When you click on play, all right, you have several things. Okay, first thing is the Xteink font builder. So you can use this tool to build your own font if that's your thing, and you can just choose some standard presets. So you can create your custom font, which I think is pretty cool. Then we have something called the cyber divination. Something has been drawn. I even don't know what the heck is this, but I'm gonna push it to my device because I just want to see how this thing works. Oh, here it is. Caution, work, take care. Trust your community work, move one clear step today, and keep your attention on what you can control. Okay, that's not bad, right? So apparently it's like a fortune cookie that you can do with this thing. I'm just gonna go back, all right? So you can see I have two folders. I have the pushed books, which are the ones that I created, all right? And then I have also the push images. So you have a calendar poster. You can click this thing here and it's going to generate like a calendar. So if I go back here, you can see that I have an item that is pending download. All right, now I can decide to download it. How does it work? I need to navigate to Cloud Transfer. So I'm going to click Cloud Transfer and then OK. Then my X4 is going to get into the Cloud Transfer mode. And hopefully now this thing is going to get pushed. Yep, you see, it is the calendar 05 XT. So this thing here straight away, very easy from your phone, a bunch of things that you can push to your X4. And by the way, if you wonder what this thing is, well, it is what it says it is. It is a calendar. So I'm just going to open it right now so that you can experience it. It's going to be a calendar with all the dates. And yeah, this is the calendar for the month of May. Currently today is the 29th. I mean, how cool is this? If I click Discovery, there's gonna be a bunch of community generated wallpapers. And by the way, yeah, you still can load your picture and use AI to play with it, but I'm gonna show you something that is really cool. I'm gonna find one that I like, all right, let's use this one. This one is pretty cool. And if you like this wallpaper, well, you can just do something like this, use on my X4 device, right? And you can do some more fine tunings here, but the moment you press done, this is gonna get pushed to your device here. And the moment I go to the cloud transfer, this is gonna get pushed directly to my X4. Nothing else. You just do whatever you wanna do from the app on your phone. You just click on the cloud task and boom. How can I install the wallpaper? Very easy. All right, just gonna open it. If I press one more time the OK button, I'm gonna get a context menu. So I know that I can set this as a power off screen, which is something I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna scroll to here and I'm going to set this as a power off screen. This is where the fun starts, because when I decide to power off my tablet, it's actually going to use now this wallpaper. Now I'm gonna power it off. And here we are. If everything works correctly, I should see the very same image. How cute is this? Yes, this is now in the power off mode with the wallpaper presented. And now guys, it's time for me to show you what this thing can do, because remember, after all, this is meant to be an e-ink reader. I'm back in the push books, so I'm gonna open. Remember, I have two books, so let's just click the OK button. And now the Xteink X4 is going to open it and parse it on my screen. And then I'm going to show you the menu, because there are certain things that you can do with this, besides of course reading the books, but there are some more convenient ways for you, and there are some options that I need to show. Right, you can see that this is the Project Gutenberg ebook of Moby Dick, and remember, we have here the next page. All right, but this button also double as a next page. All right, so we can just go and use this button. If you don't want to use those buttons, then you can always just go back and use this. And then this is how it's going to look on your screen. Now, how do we get access to the menu? Well, press the OK button here and you're going to see the menu option. You can use the Bluetooth option to connect some peripherals for book scanning, and if some are available, you can connect them. The second one is the auto flip. So if you want the tablet to turn your pages automatically, you can set up an interval. Let's go for something like this, auto page turn in 2 seconds. All right, I have selected this. By the way, you can also input like 22 if that's your thing, and now see what is going to happen. right? Every 2 seconds, and then the Xteink X4 is gonna flip the pages for me. This one is the chapter from where you can jump to selected chapters. The bookmark allows you to bookmark any section. The go-to can bring you exactly to a page, and you can always get back to the index. All right, so keep position or start over. All right, let me show you. I'm gonna just go here and clear the cache, and then I'm gonna go and start over. This is going to reload the whole book. This is the spacing option from which you can control how the text is gonna get spaced. And by the way, every time you change it, you need to rebuild the index again. And this is something that I think is quite cool. Dark mode, right? Why not read like this? Okay, if that's your thing, dark mode is included as well, and you can always decide to turn it on. And probably one of the best features, this is the orientation, because right now we're using it in a portrait mode. And this is very, very useful. This is the landscape inverted mode. Because with this, you're almost able to match like a real tiny book. And now you're gonna get a lot of text here into that area, and you can also keep reading it like this, where again, this is gonna be your next page, your previous page, and here you're gonna have again, previous or next page. Now let me show you something cool. This is the microSD slot with the provided 32 gigs of card. So you have to be careful. I'm gonna push it up just like that, and I'm gonna see an icon appears that shows that I have a card. And on this card, I have the Peter Pan book. All right, so I can navigate and open any book that I've downloaded and directly stored on my card. How does it work? Again, just click on the book, opening EPUB, as simple as this. Wait for the tablet to index the book, and yeah, just enjoy your reading. Another thing I want to show you is the settings menu. Scroll down, click, and check there are a bunch of settings. So first things first, you can see your system update. You can do the Wi-Fi setup from here. The power off screen, you can see that I'm using a custom one. You can remap the front buttons and the side button, which means that you can change this not to be the next page, but the previous, and vice versa. You can also change the language from here, and very easily also flip the screen if that's your thing. This is the time to sleep, time to power off, and then we have a bunch of other settings. EPUB image display, show button labels. You know, you can also set up a password and of course file transfer and clear cache. I just connected the micro SD card via the provider data to my PC, and I did copy a book in Cyrillic. For all the Cyrillic fans out there, I want to see if this thing can read Cyrillic. By the way, spoiler alert, yes it does, and I know it will, but I just wanted to demonstrate it. Although the cover art is not supported, you can see not a problem, and I'm able to read everything as simple as that. So Cyrillic support also works. And before we wrap up the video, let's test this as well, because remember, we have here a product that is approved to be used by Xteink. So how does this thing work? I'm gonna take my X4, I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, remember, it has magnets, so this thing is gonna stick. It's gonna be just awesome, and boom, as simple as that. And now I have something that is just a tiny bit bigger than a credit card with magnets in my pocket, and I can read books wherever I go on the fly. All right, now it's time for the wrap up. Who is meant to use this product? Now, if you like your own freedom, all right, DRM-free stuff, if you want to be in control, this thing is for you. If you don't want to scroll every time on your phone, if you have like 5-10 minutes, but instead of this, you just want to get rid of a book, this thing is for you. If you don't want to scroll like crazy on your phone every time you have like 5 spare minutes, this thing is for you. And last but not least, yeah, this thing is gonna be extremely pocketable. All right, so although the X4 version will not perfectly align with any of my phones, still there is a magnet on the back, and it's gonna be always with you, and you can also use it like this. So if you think this is for you, give it out a try.